That's a Molly.
And that's a Cynthia.
Yeah.
What are we doing with our lives? Ready? What do you think? Cynthia?
Marley.
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me. Although we're apart, you're part of my heart. But tonight you belong to me. Way down by the stream, how sweet it will seem once more just to dream in the moonlight. My honey, I know with the dawn that you will be gone. But tonight you belong with me. This is my BFF.
This is my BFF.
Forever.
This is my BFF. Fluffy forever.
Mwah!